So, welcome you all. Now we are going to solve one more numerical example on fundamental properties of soil, especially the interrelationships. So here you see we have a question. I can read this question now. A soil sample was compacted in a cylindrical mold. The diameter of the mold is given 10 centimeter and the length, in fact, it is height of the mold, which is 15 centimeter. Now, the weight of the moist soil sample is 2360 grams. After oven drying, the weight was reduced to 2200 grams. So now the question is starting now. Determine the moisture content, bulk unit weight, dry unit weight, wide ratio, degree of saturation, and air content. So luckily, the questionnaire has given specific gravity of solids, GS, which is equal to 2.70. So now let us answer this question. So actually has given a cylindrical mold where the soil is exactly compacted. So now I have length and diameter of the soil sample, core sample. So with this, I can able to get volume because we know volume of the cylinder is pi by 4 d square into L, or sometimes you can call H, height of the mold. So now I am getting pi by 4 10 square into 15. So here you see it's very interesting. It is the value of volume of the mold is 1178.25 cc. Now the questionnaire is given mass of the soil. What I want to say, total mass of the soil, that means moist soil, and he has given mass of dry soil. That is, we already discussed 2200. With this information, we can able to calculate water content. Water content of soil is equal to, we are repeatedly telling mass of water present in soil by mass of dry soil. So if you want to compute mass of water, so what we have to do, M minus MD. So what we are doing here is, we are deducting mass of dry soil from total mass of soil. From that we can able to get mass of water present in soil. So now you see here, W is equal to 7.27%. As I told you, many times we are expressing water content in percentage. So don't forget to multiply with 100. So now we are getting an answer 7.27%. Now we basically discuss now density. Density is mass by volume. So here 236 by volume. Actually we got volume from the cylinder. So now you can see here, M by V, I got 2.002 gram per cc, and dry density, rho d, MD by V. So one can see now here, MD is given 2200, and volume is also there. So we are getting rho d. Now, how to determine wide ratio from specific gravity and dry density? This has been discussed in previous lecture. So have a look on that lecture. Wide ratio is equal to GS rho W by rho D minus 1. So here I have 2.70 into 1 by rho D. Rho D, just now we got it, MD by V, 1.867. Now you do one thing, 2.7 into 1 by 1.867, we'll get the value. Then don't forget to deduct minus 1, we are getting 0.446. Now how to compute degree of saturation? So we all know there is a wonderful relation among SE and SE, W and GS. In fact, it is very simple expression. SE is equal to WGS. So I want S now, degree of saturation, WG by E. W means water content. I got 7.27. This I can write as 0.0727 because I am substituting in decimals into 2.70 by E. E is with me, 0.446. So now answer is 0.4401. So this I can write as 44.01%. But the questionnaire actually what is expecting apart from degree of saturation, he wants air content. Many of us knows air content is equal to 1 minus degree of saturation. So 1 minus what I'm trying to tell you, 1 minus 0.4401. It is 0.5599, which we can write as in percentage 55.99. So thank you all. Have a look on the fundamentals. Density is mass by volume. Dry density is mass of dry soil by volume of soil. And how to get wide ratio from GS and rho d. So, and don't forget this SE is equal to WGS. So thank you all. We'll meet in the next lecture.